So yeah, tell us kung ano lang, what makes this different from the normal Cebuano Cebu
Well, this
concert?
is a collaboration between the local production people and technical suppliers and the Manila suppliers. So we've started planning in September when they called me about this. We got really excited. So I told our producers, if we're going to bring this up to a different level, it has to. I have some non-negotiables, which are audio, okay, and lighting design. So for audio, we're bringing in for the first time in the Visayas a K2 L26 rig. It's what you hear or what you see in major concerts worldwide. It's the preferred setup for international artists. We're also pre-programming, which is I don't think has been done quite in the country, not just Visayas. Pre-programming of lights like weeks before the event. We could already tell you how, or at least us visualize what's going to happen. Everyone's excited. The local team also and the local technical supplier we have, Alvin Chong of Project A. The bands that we have and the DJs are quite demanding in their technical requirements. And in my shows, especially for this one, our sequencing is no gap at all. You will hear nothing, no silence in between these bands. It's just bang, 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 bang after a number, and then we go straight to DJs. We're starting at 3 p.m. till 4. So I'm excited because Cebu is like second home to me. So doing this project is like half of my heart, invested here. I want the Cebuanos to have a really good time. I hope the weather, gives us a little bit of a window because we started yesterday and we're bringing a lot of gear today also. Some of the gear will be arriving from Manila. That's about 3 truckloads on the 15th. Yeah. Any questions? Pre-programming of lights. We don't have, the luxury of and the time to do that in Manila too. But our producers have been very kind to me and they gave me that time to do it. So we're as excited as you you guys. I can show you some clips right now on how it will look like.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, but it's on my phone. I'm sorry because my laptop is being used instead now. But you can see it. I can actually also tell you how it will sound visually. Give you how a visual representation how loud but beautiful it will sound. Bantayan, somebody who's based in Bantayan to actually execute what I wanted to do, to happen. So I went around Cebu looking at materials that we could use. So we found what is readily available are PVC pipes on construction. Ang dami ginagawa eh. So I told them to give me that, paint it white, and it's going to be wrapped around the stage. The stage is 40 by 60 by 32 feet. So that's going to be wrapped in PVC pipes, which is going to be lighted. I'm going to show you how it will be. Tingnan ko ano mangyayari. So that's going to be executed by somebody from Bantayan. Kasi nakaabot kami from somebody, some craftsman and artist from Bantayan is helping us set this up. So it will sound like that's SPL level. Oh. Okay, the white portions I will hit for about 100 to 105 dB if I wanted to. That can really irritate you. Noise. It's not healthy.
Noise.
Okay, but it has the power to do that. This is played to an empty venue. The reason why we want to reach 105 dB is that when the crowd comes in, kailangan ko i-keep yun. I have to be on top of the noise level of the crowd. Because, the people get really, masaya sila when they see so that. I can also show you how we have pre-programmed the lights. This is my actual rig and the number of fixtures that I will use. Yes. So 80% na nagawa na namin. Most, if not all, if we go to concert, you see lighting, parang you see everything the same. Okay, parang nagkaparehas, no? I chose to work with what is available in Cebu for lighting, so that I get the business gets passed on to them also. I don't want the local suppliers to have no share of the pie in this, no. So it encourages them also to bring up their game. A lot the local suppliers, they have the gear, but they don't have the chance or the extra training to actually maximize their gear. So now I'm showing them that with this, we can actually bring it up with your existing equipment. This for their set also. Sandwich and pedicab also, of course, no, medyo, and then we have Mandawi nights, second night.
It's a local man, yeah.
Budoy, you have to see Budoy, okay? Budoy is actually starting a new chapter in his career. It's amazing. When he shaved his head, parang nawala yung rasta. Sumikat sa Amsterdam, bumalik dito. At now, he's doing techno. Can you believe that?
Wow.
Yes, he's doing techno. So, techno dub Budoy na daw. I don't know what you call it. Cebu, Manila, label anymore. I look at it as artists who are good enough to be on that stage. And it's equal ha, pantay ha. If you really sort it out, Manila and Cebu, pantay. So sa akin, I don't look at Mandawi na sa salon. No? You have you earned the right to be on that stage. So we're quite excited. Okay. This is Juno. I'm inviting you to the Baladhay Music Festival happening on January 17 at City de Mare Complex. Alright, we have a lineup that's going to be really awesome. We have DJs, international DJs, local DJs, and bands that will. The mix of the lineup that we have is going to make the event very special. We've prepared for this for so long, and we're so excited to have everyone. See you.